It's so weird having to see my hand on the screen.
I know. I'm white. I'm just kidding.
Hi. Hello, everybody. My
Hey,
name is
guys.
Christian. Today we're going to be making some slime. And you guys can't see our faces, but you see the
You'll
plate.
be able to see all the ingredients that right here that you need.
Yes. All that we need is up right here. And that's our stuff right there. So let's do this.
Yes.
ASMR. Okay. All right, let's pick it up. Okay.
Okay.
So
the first thing you will need is gloves.
yes, that's the very first thing.
Coronavirus.
Yes. Coronavirus is a dangerous disease. So we need to make sure that we're protective, even in our own home. And we're going to make some slime.
And now I'm dirty my hands already.
All right. All right. Let's put these on.
These on. Don't judge me if I don't know how to put my gloves on. This is how my work. I cannot put them on ever.
All right. Who needs the prostate cancer?
Oh my god.
All right. Ready?
Damn, dishes are hot.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right,
So,
baby. So what we need to do?
First, we're gonna need one.
Oh, and by the way, this is us actually trying the first time making slime. So we are gonna fail.
Yes, we probably will. So don't judge us, alright?
All right. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
So what do we need first?
So first, we're gonna need a school glue, which we're gonna use the whole bottle, and we're gonna pour it in to our bowl.
Our bowl.
Our bowl.
Our bowl.
So we have to.
All right, so we open
it.
the ball. Okay, we open the
Okay.
bottle.
Okay. So then we're gonna pour it in.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're gonna pour all this nasty glue in here. Okay, pour it in.
I don't even know how to fucking name it. Okay, so all you have to do is
this
just have to pour it in.
This is what you
When do I stop?
do. All of it.
All of it?
All the whole glue.
Okay, goddamn.
Oh my.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so I put everything in.
Yeah, stop. We had to show our audience, okay?
So that's how you...
I can't. Oh my god. Okay, focus.
Okay,
Okay.
what else I
So
have to
make
do?
sure
I'm
all-
dropping everything.
Make sure all the glue is out. So squish it like if you hate somebody.
What?
Squish it like if you. I got to wear my glasses. God damn.
Yeah. What?
Oh my god. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Alright, let me
I got it in my glue.
I'm crying. I'm crying, yo. Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. If you
Oh,
see me.
alright.
Okay,
Jesus. Okay.
back to track. Okay, so we put the glue in.
Mm-hmm.
So
So what
now
else do we need?
we're gonna put
This is step 2, by the way. This is 3, right?
no 2.
No, it has to be 3 because the first
2.
one was us putting our gloves on.
Okay, 3.
So this is our third
step
one.
3.
Step 3.
So
Look at that.
now
There's like a
you're
little
gonna
freaking.
get-
There's a little freaking.
This little liquid,
Ting. There's like a little soda right
and
here.
I don't know
Aw,
what it's really
she broke
called, but we're gonna open
it.
it.
That's called solution. It's called contact solution. This is what
Okay.
people who have contacts is. You
Oh,
know.
yeah, for
Me and
like
you,
a-
we both wear glasses because we're plebs.
So then you're gonna get your spoon.
We're peasants because we can't afford fucking contact
Wait, no, wait.
lenses.
I'm wrong.
Fuck you,
It
man.
has-
I'm just kidding. It actually
Okay.
does work. But
And
either way,
Sam's-
this is the third step.
No, I'm wrong because it's supposed to be the baking soda next.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. All right.
So we're gonna put 1 tablespoon
One?
of this.
1 tablespoon.
Yes.
No. It says 1 and 1.5. No. You're right.
This
right.
is
It's 1.
1.
Okay, so the way we have to open this. Is
No.
Okay. No.
The top.
No, it's not open because there's a thing
No,
right here.
but the top because we're not gonna use all of it.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Okay.
Open it.
So we open it.
We're gonna open a fucking big soda.
The struggle of opening this. I cannot open this.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm
Give me
serious.
that. I can open this, man. Man's job. Alright, anyway.
Ah.
I don't know how to open. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so we open the baking soda.
Do I open
I'm
everything?
Just the top.
Just the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Son of a f.
So
This is adults supervision only.
adults only.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. 1 tablespoon. Okay.
So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon full.
Holy. That's
we're
a
gonna
big
pour
tablespoon.
it in.
Holy. Wait. Show it to the camera.
Pour it in here.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That was
So then
professional.
You add yours.
Professional.
Add yours.
Okay.
The struggle.
No, it's
Oh my god. Hurry before it melts.
that?
Damn.
like that guy.
Yeah. Yes, like that. Okay. So then we're gonna add
Contact
for this
solution.
one, contact solution. We're gonna add
I didn't open mine yet. Hold on.
1.
I didn't open mine yet. Wait. I didn't open mine yet. Wait.
I told you
Wait.
the one that's better. I'm sorry guys, but this is whoever slime becomes better. I'm sorry, my hand's shaking.
No, this can't be a versus. Okay, we're gonna make a versus afterwards. And if actually guys like this video and like the
2.
slime that we made, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel to watch our other videos as well. And there's gonna be more of me and her along the way, you know, because we
Yes.
just got our camera, so it's gonna be fun, guys. Also, hope you guys have a good day, you know.
So then we mix it after you add the liquid.
We have to add the liquid.
Yes, I put 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Yes.
Where the hell is my spoon?
Whoa, you could tell.
Where the hell is my spoon?
Okay, I'll show you. Here, I'll help. Okay, add 2.
Thank you.
Hurry before.
Okay.
I forgot another fork, another spoon.
Like this.
Yeah, like that, like
And
that.
then, and then boom.
1, and then add another one.
Like that.
Yes.
And then that's it.
Yeah.
And then I just stir.
Mix it.
This is how you mix. This is how you mix, guys.
I don't know how to mix it.
This is how you mix it. This is how you. Oh.
You feel that?
Oh, look at that! Yeah, this is you mix it like if you're mixing some eggs or something like that.
I
Look
should have
at
brought
that.
another spoon.
Look at that. I'll go get another spoon. I'll be right back, guys.
Right back. Go. Okay. So I got my spoon. Thank the Lord.
Okay, I'm back.
So then we keep mixing. Keep mixing.
All right, so yeah, so our stuff is mixing. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
So keep mixing until you feel it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, you could feel it's really sticky.
Dang,
Huh?
ooh, look at that. Yeah.
Look.
Ooh. Look at that, guys. Damn. Let me zoom in on that.
Zoom in.
There we go.
Fine.
Yeah.
That's coming out great.
Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Shit.
Keep mixing until you mix everything really good.
Okay.
So then after this, we're gonna add our food coloring. The best part.
Let me zoom out real quick. Hold on. Oh. There we go. All right.
we're
So
gonna-
what else we're gonna do?
Next, we're gonna add our food coloring. I don't know if you guys
coloring?
can see it.
Wait.
Ah, it's right there. Yeah.
Full color.
You really just need one because it has a lot. So yeah, you know.
Yes. Yes, we do know. Here you go.
Okay, so grab your food coloring after you're done mixing.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that really feels like slime.
Yeah, it does. God damn. I had
Guys,
a.
that's how it's supposed
I
to
had to
look.
literally like scrape it from the.
Sticky.
I had to scrape it from the
Oh
bottom, you know.
look, guys, here becomes slime.
Yeah, look at that. God damn.
Okay, next part.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna get
Alright,
our colors.
So
For
we get our
me-
colors.
I'm gonna get green and blue.
I'm gonna get red. See that? See that, guys? Red. Looks like blood.
I almost got it in my hair.
Literally.
Yes,
Oh my goodness. And blue. This is what I'm getting.
red and blue. Okay,
Okay.
mine choice.
Those are yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So you can make it as colorful as you want, but it's up to you.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna drop 2 drops of each in the beginning.
2 drops
One.
of each.
2. Oh, I put
One.
3. Sorry.
So you guys, that's blood. That's my nose. And then 2.
Okay.
And then we put the other one, right?
Then, for me, I'm gonna mix it right now.
Gonna mix it right now.
Oh, look, guys. Oh,
Oh, no.
damn, this doesn't hold on.
Dang. Look at that. Look. Oh.
I ripped my plate.
Oh. Look at hers. Look at hers.
Oh.
God damn. Look at that. Show it to the camera. Show the camera.
Look,
Yeah.
guys. Keep mixing until you get the colorful.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Full color has to
yeah.
be fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Don't ever mix it with the gloves because it just got stuck to them.
It did?
Yes.
Why'd you mix it with the gloves?
I was trying to, but it did not work. Okay, so then I'm adding more green because it seems like it doesn't want to make color. This is a mess, guys. Sorry.
Alright, so this is me now mixing the red.
And
Because I like
whenever you
The
see it's
color
not
red.
turning
I like
red,
the color red.
whenever you see that it's not turning the color you want, you just add more. Go 1, 2, 3. Ooh,
God damn, that came in.
it's hard to mix it, so be careful because it's gonna rip your plate.
Wait, why did you add in more color?
Because it's not turning to the color green.
It's not?
No, it's hard. Hey
Actually,
guys,
you know
this
what?
is pretty
Yeah.
fun, huh?
You know what? It's wait.
You
We're
should try
supposed
it.
we're supposed to add in more solution because and it's not supposed to be this hard. Add in more solution to this. Go like this.
So just drop in as much as you want.
Because it did say that you could drop as much as you want. It has to be literally
Really?
like squishy, slimy, and everything like that. See that? See how easily it's taken off from the plate? You see
Keep
how easily
mixing,
it's taken
guys.
off from the
Keep
plate?
mixing.
Like that. Oh, mine now.
Guys,
mine
you
right
see
now.
this? Oh my god!
Oh my goodness.
It's
sake.
slime.
All right, let's take it from the bottom. It looks like freaking. It looks like gum.
Yeah. Just may put in as much as you guys ever want. So you could keep mixing until it becomes a slime.
Yeah, look at that.
Look
Dude,
at
can we touch it
that.
now?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's so cool. Look at that.
look.
I'm gonna add more color to mine because I don't like the way it is
Oh, that's
looking.
so weird.
I really don't like how it is looking, so
We did it.
I really thought, guys, that it was gonna be a disaster.
I thought it was gonna
for
be
a second.
disastrous too. Not gonna lie.
Because we low-key didn't know how.
We didn't know how. We legit.
We just got other ingredients.
we just got it. We just got
when
it.
you're interrupting your boyfriend. Let's see what color it turns to, guys. Let's see.
Are we supposed to use your hands now?
You could use your hands now.
Now we could use our hands.
Guys, look at this.
I'm gonna add another color.
I don't know, but I'm acting like a child right now, but I'm really enjoying this.
This is not even a challenge right now. This is just us just having fun.
Yeah. So whoever does it the fastest.
Do this with your
On the
boyfriend or
next one.
girlfriend. Just do a versus video. You know, with slime.
Guys, look at this.
Mine looks
I
like a
would be-
legit that I just puked out of my mouth and I'm
Look
playing
at this,
with it.
guys. Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure we didn't even do this
I
right.
like- No, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yes. You can add more of the
Glue? Oh, the contact solution?
multiple
It's called contact solution.
contact solution. Keep adding more until hybrid. You're squirting on me, sir.
Sorry, that's what she said. All right,
Oh my god. Don't listen.
look at that. All right,
Ooh, yeah. Just
look
keep
at
going.
that. Goddamn,
yeah.
yeah. Look at
Yes,
that.
keep going,
Yeah, yeah. Well, this is fun.
We're having fun for this. I don't know why. It's the
oh
first
my
time.
goodness sake.
Guys, look how I really thought it was
Alright.
gonna come up and
That's
pretty much
this
it.
is
Like
pretty much it. That's pretty much it, guys.
I like to add more
This
because I
is-
want it to be
yeah,
soft a little
that's-
bit more.
That's my
His is like pinkish,
bluish.
reddish.
Mine looks like a legit poop from an alien.
This one looks like a Fruit Loop. Ayy.
That one does look like a Fruit Loop, and that is scary.
So
Cause
comment
could eat it.
down.
comment down below which
Which
one's
one's
the
better?
best. Which
I don't
is
think you guys
better.
can see it, but
Either it's mine or hers.
I'm sorry, guys.
All right, yeah. You gotta take your hand off already. You gotta take it off already.
No, I'm just gonna leave one.
Okay. Okay, all right, guys.
So
Yeah,
pretty much it.
Yeah, this is
That's
pretty much
how-
it. This is how we make slime. You know.
Just squish it. It really came out good. I'm not
It
gonna lie.
actually did. I mean, look, it's starting to actually form more as the minutes
Yeah.
go by. All right, guys. Yeah,
So
that's about much. That's
just comment down below which one's better.
Yeah, which is
mine, the blue and green.
I'm
or
pretty
his.
sure mine is better.
Nah,
better than
mine's
yours.
better. What you talking about?
Hey,
Look at that.
Yours look like a Fruit Loop. Mine looks like poop from Alien.
Oh my god.
So.
Okay, so yeah.
Ew.
Ah, look ugly.
Ew.
I'm sorry, I'm breaking out right now. So yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you for watching.
Peace. We love you.
Go